I'm going to show you how to copy part of the original photograph into your retouch layer. And this is a good example of where you might want to do something like that. So along the cape here, we've really lost the definition, the edge of the cape. But if we turn this layer off, you can see that definition is still there. So it'd be better to take this, put it onto here, and then start the retouch of this area over again. You're going to have a cleaner, nicer retouch. So to do that, I'm going to turn off that layer, the retouch layer. I'm going to come down here to the background layer. I'm going to grab my marquee tool, and I'm going to make a selection of that area. So there's a selection. I'm going to do Command C to copy it. I'm going to come back over here, turn back on that eyeball, and I'm going to do Command V to paste it. Now, you might notice I've got this layer 3 over top of this background copy, which should actually say retouch, so we know what we're doing. And I need to put this layer into here. So let's make that the active layer. And I'm going to come to the layers panel, and these 3 little dots up here, I'm going to click on there. And in here, there's a whole bunch of options. I'm going to go to the one that says merge down. And now it just took that layer and merged it into the retouch layer. And now you can see all I need to do is work on retouching this area right here, and it's going to be a lot easier. So here you just work on this side, then you work on this side, you work on this side, you work on this side. I would be using my clone stamp tool for this, and right here on the edge I'd select here, clone here. Anyways, keep practicing, keep going. One more tip.